There we go. Alright, today we're going to bring a smart robot, and this is a rechargeable, right, type C charging station. Now you are going to need batteries, 2 AA batteries for the remote control. There's a lot of features that you need to be aware of in here. There's a lot of movements, even a demo mode. Now they do come with a couple of accessories that are really neat. It has these shooting darks, all right, and actually type C to type A charger, all right. Now out of the box, he has his helmet down, but look at this. You'll pick it up. I'm going to turn it on right now. And to turn it on, it's in the back. There's a power button, LED lights, and we're going to put it to use. All right. All right. Remote control. With the remote, you're able to do different functions. If you guys can see that. The demo, you can program. If you ever want to know if it's charging, just make sure that the light turns on. All right, the control is very simple to get used to it and understand it. It has all the commands right here in the front. There's a talking mode, dancing mode, battle mode, talk to, light, and move to talk. Now you have different arm movements here on the left and the right. All right, left and right, and then shooting and gripping. This is to close the arm, and then you got the movements here. And of course, the program, you could program certain steps and it'll do it automatically. So open the grip, the other arm.